candidate to replace Justice Ginsburg after meeting with President Trump earlier this week.
The president says he'll reveal his pick tomorrow. News 8's Hannah Mordeau spoke to people who know her well to get a sense of who Amy Coney Barrett really is. Who talked? What they have to say, Hannah?
Well, I talked to 3 of Amy Coney Barrett's fellow law professors from Notre Dame, and they all say they think she would be the best person for this Supreme Court seat.
In addition to her legal intelligence, which would make her an unbelievable selection for the court, she's also one of the most warmest, open-minded people.
I think everyone should feel better if Amy Barrett is on the U.S. Supreme Court, because you will never find someone who is more fair-minded, more honest, more disciplined, more just than Amy Barrett.
She is so sincere and direct and transparent. You know what you're getting with her. There aren't any hidden agendas or playing games. She's honest about what she thinks about the law.
So far, Barrett is the only potential pick President Trump has interviewed. If chosen, it could mean another Republican-appointed justice on the Supreme Court. There are already 5, so this would far outnumber the current 3 Democratic appointees. Barrett's colleagues say judges must interpret the law without political bias, and that she would do that and has the support of her former students, professors, and co-clerks. For some background, Barrett began her career as a law clerk for the late Justice Antonin Scalia. She went on to become a law professor at her alma mater, Notre Dame. Fellow law professors say her education diversifies her from the rest of the court, who are mostly Harvard and Yale educated judges, but she has been scrutinized. Back in 2012, she signed on to a public letter protesting that abortion and contraception coverage of the Affordable Care Act were an assault on religious liberty. Barrett's Catholic faith was also a major focal point during her 2017 confirmation hearing for the 7th Circuit Appeals Court. But her colleagues tell me that her religious beliefs shouldn't be a consideration.
In the United States, we don't have a religious test for any kind of office, right? And so the fact that people would try to make a big issue out of this is completely shameful and should be condemned.
Her philosophy of the judiciary and what judging requires does not permit a person to integrate and import their own personal views or their own politics into her work as a judge. And that should give everybody comfort.
And now that Senator Mitt Romney has said he is on board with moving ahead with a vote before the election, it all but ensures any nominee put forward will be confirmed. Hannah Mordeau, WishTV, WishTV.com.